Welcome traders to the Impact Trading Services Gold Week in Review. Come over to the YouTube channel, YouTube at Impact Trading Services. Click on playlist. Come down and scroll down to Gold Weekly Analysis. You will find the Gold Week in Review videos here. And this, we're doing Gold Week in Review for the week of January 23rd to the 27th. So at the beginning of the week, we said resistance area between 1930 and 1950, support between 1910 and 1920, all-time highs. Should price break 1950 or in that area, look for supply price to go down. For price to find a support area for trade and trend continuation, look for price to find support in the 1920-1910 area for support. Plan your trades, plan your entries, plan your stop losses, plan your profit targets. Be a consistently profitable trader. Join the Telegram group and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll continue to make these videos for you. Alrighty, let's do a quick recap of the week. Starting Monday the 23rd. We had we're in the 1930 to 1950 area, and then the 1910 area. So your support and resistance were 1930 through 1910. Now let's see how the week played out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the 23rd, we have a beautiful pin bar at the start of the agent session. That is a great signal to go short for swing traders. This one trade would have given you 2,000 pips if you wanted to hold that trade for the day, hold this level for the day. Just playing your stop losses. We say at least 1,000 pips because that gold does this every month. And then for trend continuation, then the swing continuation, swing traders, swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up. And the position traders would be adding to positions here, pulling up your stops. So this is where you would go long. And then for the intraday, let's look at this on the 3, 5, 15 minute on the intraday traders for intraday trades. 23rd. All right, these are, you have a bearish engulfing bar on the 3, 5, 15 minute at the pre-drawn area. Great trade entry. Free trade right there. We have a 5-minute pin bar with the hammer, 3-bar entry. And then on the 15-minute chart, we have a 15-minute pin bar. So when you get confirmation, and that trade was good for 1,000. When you get confirmation, we did a live video on that one. When you get confirmation, that gives you more confidence to place these trades. So you would place a trade here, and then you can have a very tight stop loss. And we always recommend 1% to 2% of your account balance. Great trade here in this area of support. You can trade this. This is a 3, 5, 15 minutes, a larger price confirmation of the support area. But as price starts coming up in support, you could actually place a trade here for support and then place your stop losses right outside of support. It makes you down through your stop loss. That happens sometimes also. And then retraces in your direction. You just have to be diligent to know that happens and stay on your trade. All right, so those are the trade levels for Monday. Let's look at Thursday, Friday. We actually have a pattern that we gave a live update to on this day. We had a rising wedge before the start of the agent session on Thursday. So if you look in the pattern videos, rising wedges usually break, and then you can actually use the flagpole for the rising wedge for profit targets. So we posted a video on patterns, and then also you see we have a head and shoulder pattern here. So when you get all those confirmations, and then we already had drawn the level of 1950, the 1950 area for an area of resistance. So price came up during the week to the area we had already pre-drawn. Supply enters the market. This is the area of resistance, and then supply brings the market down. That's easy trading. We have a head and shoulder pattern forming. We have a bearish hammer. We have pin bars, 3, 5, 15-minute pin bars. That's a 5-minute pin bar, 5-minute pin bar. If you did not get in this one, then you get in this one. And then you have a rounded top. So all these are confirmations. You have a level of supply, resistance. All those are confirmations to place a trade and then manage your stop losses right outside of the area of your trade signal. 3, 5, 15. And then you have 15-minute wick pin bar, and then you have a 15-minute bearish bar here. So you have two opportunities to trade, and this could have been your one daily trade. We got a 3,000 pip pullback from this area. That's Thursday to Friday for swing traders who want to hold this area for 8 hours or so. Then you actually have a pullback of 3,000 pips. The pullback continued on Friday. So from this area, if you had held, then we said the 1920, 1910 area would be, we would find support where we could place long trades. Price came down to the pre-drawn areas of support. And then we have opportunities to place long trades. So that is the weekly recap. This is a powerful method. Once you learn this method of trading, you will be consistently profitable. Plan your trades, plan your entries, plan your stop losses. We will have another video for you coming up here in a couple of days for weekly planning for next week. What we want to look at right now real fast are these levels right here. When you see wicks like this on the monthly chart or weekly chart, that indicates price came up and quickly retraced. That's good for when price wants to enter into these areas again. So that is telling us there are already a lot of sell orders in the market. Now remember, the market only moves up and down because of market orders. So when price reaches these areas and you see these long wicks, then you know that there's a lot of sellers waiting for price to come up into this area so that price will be moved down from that area. So there'll be a lot of profit taking during this week. Profit taking in this area, so we may have a larger pullback. Alrighty, for the trend traders, position traders, you should be moving up your stops here on these areas. These are all areas where you'll be moving your stops. So this week you would have moved your stop up to these areas here. Profit taking, move up your stops. So trend traders, position traders, you've been moving up your stops on all of these levels, so you should be in great equity. So right now, a position trader, a good stop would probably be in this area from here to here. And then you would have profit taking in this area. And then moving your stops and adding to your positions in these areas Should this level hold for, should these levels hold for support? 1920 area holding for support right now. Alrighty, be consistently profitable. We will have another video weekly analysis for you coming up here in a couple of days. See you in the next video.